Hey guys, Matt.
Andrew.
IronTrap Garage. Today we are working on the Forgotten 39 Hot Rod project. I actually got to run the yellow tee that you guys saw. Our buddy Spencer that actually bought it for me, and I was helping him get it all like as a roller. He's taking that home today, so we got some space in the shop. So I'm going to jump in the truck and trailer that over there. While I'm doing that, I'm going to have Andrew work on getting the trunk floor and the main floor all seam sealed, and he's going to work on putting that X brace back in it. So while I'm doing that stuff, he's going to be zapping and getting everything in place, and then we'll show you guys how it goes along the way.
One trick Matt taught me a little bit ago is when you want to get a crisp line with seam sealer, you can lay down tape, like a tape line on either side of the seam that you're trying to cover up, and when you peel the tape back off, it'll leave a nice, crisp, smooth edge on either side, and it won't look like you just globbed it in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it up, and then we're going to start laying down the seam sealer. Alright guys, so I got all the tape laid out in here. So what we're going to be doing is, in between the tape lines, we're going to put a decent sized bead straight down the middle, all the way around the whole trunk floor. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our finger and just smear it in. Just nice even, you don't have to apply too much pressure. Just smooth it out, and you want to do it in like one swipe, because if you do more than once it'll look like bumpy. So you just want to do a clean swipe all the way through, and then you're going to peel the tape up and you'll be done.
You don't have gloves on, son. How are you going to smooth that out?
After? I have gloves in here.
Oh, alright. You learn over the years though that you'll get goop on the caulk gun, and then it'll get on your hands, and then it'll get on everything.
I didn't get anything on the caulk gun earlier, so.
You've caulked like one thing in your life, like.
I meant today I didn't get anything.
I know, but I'm just. You're right. Go ahead. Your fancy Gap sweatshirt gets.
It's Aeropastel and it's like 11 years old.
Aeropastel, even worse.
Dude, it's my dad's.
Hey, watch the language, kid. You can't put that on camera.
Oh shit. Matt, on a scale from 1 to 10, how fast does this dry?
I would probably smooth out sections.
Now?
Yeah. It's a little cool in here, so it probably isn't as bad, but.
Alright, so we got the X-brace all fit up and in the car. We sanded each spot so that we'll get a clean weld on it. And we're going to weld it at each of these 5 spots. We're just going to tack it in. And I got it held up with these 2 magnets and it's fitting pretty nice, so let's get it welded in.
Which one is it? Oh, the other.
Good? Cracked? Yeah. That one's going to hold.
Yeah, so now what I would do is just put another one, like
I can bridge that.
right there. Alright, so let's get this twisted here like that. Ready? Yep, go ahead. Alright, now. Good? Yeah. So you can get one right on that wedge there.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Get a little, zap a little longer and blend that in the, there you go. Almost got me. All right. Unless you did Christmas before 14 years.
Do it in the new year. So thank you for 2019. For this 29.
All right, so how'd it go? What do you think? I came in at the end there helping you.
It went good. Everything's fit nice and welded, and all the seam sealing went good. I would say it was a good job. Good job done.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, he was welding some stuff where we cut the X bracing out. because I cut it with a, like with a Sawzall and a cutoff grinder, there's going to be a little bit of a gap when we put everything back in. So he had to bridge those, and anybody's gonna have a little bit of problem with that. But he got it good, knocked it down with the grinder. If you're not a welder, you can be a good grinder. You were a grinder today. Yeah. But it looks good. Everything, the seam sealer looks awesome, and now the floor just looks nice and finished, which is really good. So now we got all that kind of boring stuff done. We can kind of work on getting things replaced. So I think next time we're going to work on the rear panel, get that replaced in it, and that'll just get the whole back end of the car kind of all sturdied up and get the major rot out of the car in the back end. And then we can move forward to doing the firewall, and everybody can stop yelling at me to do the firewall. So now the firewall will be done. And yeah, so that's the next things we got going. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, we do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, Sundays. Subscribe, or else, yeah, that's it. See ya.